Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I lost my voice. I sound like a 40-year-old smoker, or it sounds like I'm going through puberty, which I haven't done before, so this is very exciting. Today, I will be filming another makeup video for you guys. I actually really enjoyed doing a makeup video that is inspired by an object. Last time I did do a mango, so if you haven't watched that video, go check it out. So today, I chose to do chlamydia. So for those of you who don't know what chlamydia is, it's an STI. Sexually transmitted infection. It's a bacteria. Causes lots of fun things like itching and burning while you pee, vaginal and penile discharge, which we all love. And I'm going to throw a picture up right here. This is what I'm basing my makeup look off of today. So if you want to see me turn myself from this into this, stay tuned and keep on watching. So as you can tell, I already have my base makeup on. I will just be going ahead and using some concealer to prime my eyes. Okay, I'm going to start on with some pink. So starting just up here. So now that I have the pink laid down, I'm just going in with some red to add a bit of dimension. I'm just going underneath where I have the pink. Now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm just going to use a little concealer on the back of my hand and use my concealer brush. Okay, I just very quickly and kind of poorly cut my crease, but that doesn't really matter at this point because I'm going to go in with a Q-tip, just a basic Q-tip. I'm going to put a bit of makeup remover on it and clean up under where I cut my crease. This helps just prevent the colors from mixing once I actually start layering colors on top. Okay, now that I have cleaned up underneath where my crease is going to be later on, I'm going to start darkening sort of underneath here to add a bit of dimension. So now that everything is blended out and I've cleaned underneath the cut crease, I'm going back in with my concealer brush and a little bit of concealer, and we're just going to recut our crease. So my camera overheated, but I cut my crease and I got my other eye caught up. I'm now going to start doing the cut crease color. I'm going to go in with a blue, I think, and just pack that on where I cut my crease. I'm going to go in with some silver and just sort of use it as a sort of glitter eyeliner. Now I'm going to blend a darker purple color on the edge here to sort of have a gradient. So I'm going to go in with my purple and just blend it in. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye and I will be right back. Both eyes are now almost complete. I'm going to clean up around the sides. So I'm just going in with a makeup wipe and going along the shape of my eye, wiping away the excess eyeshadow. Now I'm just going in with a fluffy brush with the eyeshadow that I had on before and blending upward. Okay, so this is most of the eyeshadow done. I'm now going to go in with an inner corner highlight. I'm just using a highlight color, popping that in the inner corner with my pinky. I'm also going to go ahead and highlight the rest of my face. I realized that I didn't do that. I'm going in with some highlight mixed with a purple shimmer to match our chlamydia vibes. So I'm just going with the fluffy brush. I have my different colors. I'm just mixing them and then just going in ham. Okay, I'm going to put on my lashes and I will be right back. Now that my lashes are on, I'm going to do my lips. I think I'm just going to do a pretty simple lip today. I have some balm. I'm gonna darken the outside of my lip. I'm just gonna use some eyeshadow with my, oh fuck, lol, okay. Okay, so I finished my lips. I lined them, used a matte balm, and then highlighted them using eyeshadows. I'm getting kind of like weird STI alien vibes from this. I think I want to do a little more, and I don't know. Okay, I think I'm gonna risk it. YOLO, whatever. I'm gonna put like purple on my nose, just for fun. I'm going in with my fluffy brush. I'm just using purple eyeshadow and a tiny bit of my blush. I'm going over the edges of my nosy. I'm going in now with some more purple. I'm gonna do like a purple blush. So this is the final chlamydia inspired look. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I post my next video. But thank you all again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.